Black truck update. I'm Rick. This is the shack. Trying to drive and film at the same time is kind of hard. Hey everybody, welcome. This is a quick update on the progress on the black truck. As you know, I decided to do an engine swap. I'm going to change out the old gas engine for a Cummins diesel. And I am going to build that diesel to about a 400. So I should have a minimum 400 horse, maybe a little bit more. I'll actually think I'm going to try to dyno it when I'm done, just so I can see exactly what I have in it. That'd be interesting. But today, I called yesterday, and the engine, they said I could come pick up that evening. So I'm not driving out, 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. All that traffic to go pick it up. Said no, I'll be picking it up Thursday afternoon. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm heading out to have breakfast with a friend of mine. Then I have to go over to the gentleman's shop that I am actually doing the work at, because I don't have a cherry picker or hoist or anything to get the engine out of my truck. It's going to be a busy day. I'm going to film it. I'm going to try to get the engine. I'm going to try to get my truck towed over there, so next week I can go over there and start filming. And we're going to take the engine out, get the front end taken off, get this engine set in there, mocked up, weld up all the brackets and everything. Then we can start tearing the engine apart and see exactly what I have to work with. It's 8:10 right now. Lots of stuff today. Busy. Be right back. Had a very good breakfast. Actually, I kind of want to go and take a nap, and I don't want to be in this traffic right now. But I have my friends pick up, as you can see, the compressor in the back of the truck right there. Kind of going through a little bit of congestion right here where the freeways merge. Get through this and get to my final destination, which is FedEx. So once I get there, I'll check back in and we'll get our first looks at my new engine. I got my engine. I'm ready for all my work ahead now. Yeah. We got it. Right there it is. And I'm telling you, this truck is sitting low. So I'm gonna cruise on home, or at least to the shop, and we're gonna try to get this thing unloaded, unwrap it so I can check it out. Be right back. Stay tuned. This is so cool. I'm excited, but now it's like getting very real and very serious. I gotta get going. All right, the unveiling.
No.
Oh yeah. Got my P pump on there. Oh, looks like it's there. AC pump, front's all there. Yeah, you can believe they want like $500 something from Cummins just for this linkage. Cool. Oh, the radiator's on top. Oh, hot dog. I seen all the sides.
That's why it looked funny.
Yeah, I seen the pipe on the side. Like, oh my God, he forgot my radiator.
Yeah, the air.
Oh, good.
Those airs can be expensive, man.
Well, aftermarket, I want to get banks, but at least we can get this in here and mock it so we know how it's going to fit. Sweet, there it is, my engine.
So
let's hook it up and drop it out. Well, that's it. There's my air to air. Those the tubes. Basically everything's there. Got my turbo covered. Since my friend had to leave, I got this on. I need somebody else to help me so I could jack it up, hook it up this. Hopefully the engine stand will hold it, but we shall find out. We'll see. But That's my engine. I gotta go home, make arrangements, get my truck over here tomorrow sometime. Then yeah, we gotta get this one off this, set it somewhere so we can use this to yank my engine out. Then we can get this in and mock it up. That's it for today. Yay, I got my engine, so I'm so glad. So I'm gonna head home. That's enough for today. But at least it's in. At least it's here. It's ready to go. That thing is huge and it's heavy. Be blessed. Take back your shack and build it for your sanity. And I'm out of here. Oops, I gotta get my stuff. I almost left my wallet and everything here. See you next video for the next update.